Your friends, Great Lobbies, and I'm back again with another awesome video. And today we are here at the Honor having the first look and first feel of the new Honor Magic VS. It's the new foldable device which was launched literally today morning on the day of this recording in China, and they're going to be launching it in the Middle East in the Q2 of next year. As I have the phone, it comes in this beautiful, gorgeous box right here with all the accessories under it. We need to just look at the phone right now, which looks amazing. Look at that. The slimmest foldable phone in the market and the lightest foldable phone in the market as of today. On the outskirts of it, we've got a 6.45 inches OLED display, which comes with 120 Hertz of refresh rate and some amazing features packed inside as well. So why don't we just open this. That's 7.9 inches of OLED display with 90 Hertz refresh rate. And looking at the slim beauty of this color, it's expected to come in 3 other colors, probably black and gold, and maybe an orange one as well, like its predecessor. And looking at the camera, a unique camera design this time with a 54 megapixel Sony IMX800 sensor on the primary, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle, and then an 8 megapixel telephoto camera as well. And it also has a flicker sensor on the side to give you that quality imaging that you're looking for. And I am absolutely loving it. It's come with a new hinge technology which they've introduced, which has reduced the number of components used to build that technology by 80%. They're using only 4 pieces to come up with a hinge, giving you an almost crease-free experience, as you can see. Battery, the Honor Magic VS comes with a 5000 mAh battery and the 66 watt Honor Supercharge, which is a wired charging. Now this is approximately a full charge in less than 45 minutes, and 5000 mAh is the best in the business in the folding smartphones today. Also want to touch base on the variants that are going to come out in. It's launched in the international market with 8GB 256 and 12GB 256 and 512 options. We're going to wait and watch that what Middle East market will bring for us. So guys, give me that thumbs up right there and press the subscribe button, and we will bring a more in-depth technical review of this smartphone and when it's available in the market very, very soon. In the meantime, this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.